In today's video, I am going to teach you how to generate a QR code for a Facebook business page. Start by opening your web browser and going to facebook.com. Make sure you are already signed in to your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to use. To do that, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select your Facebook business page so that you are working from the correct page. After your business page opens, go to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you will find the direct link to your page. Copy the full page URL from the address bar. You will use this link to create the QR code, so make sure you copy the complete address correctly. Next, open a new browser tab and go to qr-code-monkey.com. Once the website loads, you will see a field labeled Your URL. Click inside that field and paste the Facebook business page link that you copied a moment ago. This tells the QR code generator exactly where the code should send people when they scan it. At this point, you can customize the look of your QR code if you want to. You can choose a color scheme that matches your brand or page style. You can also select the Facebook logo so the code looks more recognizable and connected to your business page. These changes are optional, but they can make the final QR code look more polished and professional. When everything looks the way you want, click the Create QR Code button. The website will generate your code in just a moment. Once the QR code appears, you can save it to your computer. The easiest option is to download it as a PNG file. If needed, you can also capture the QR code using your computer's snipping tool. Either option will give you an image that you can use online or in print. After that, your QR code is ready to share. You can add it to flyers, business cards, posters, menus, signs, or social media graphics so people can quickly visit your Facebook business page with a simple scan. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.